Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. The central point is that one must understand what is Krishna. The other day somebody inquired, what is the meaning of Krishna? Krishna means all attractive. Unless God is all attractive, how he can become God? So Vrindavan life means Krishna comes, descends himself to show what is Krishna, what is God. So the picture, Vrindavan life, that is village life, there are villagers, cultivators, cows, calves. That is Vrindavan. It is not a big city like New York, London. It is village. And the central point is Krishna. This is Vrindavan life. There, the gopis, they are village girls, and the cowherd boys, they are also village boys. Nanda Maharaj is the head of the village, agriculturist. Similarly, the elderly persons and the elderly gopis, Mother Jasoda and her other friends, all are attracted by Krishna. This is it. They even did not know what is Krishna. They did not know by reading Vedas, Puranas, Vedanta to understand Krishna. But their natural affection was for Krishna. So this Svabhavik Akarsan can be, at the present moment, we have no natural attraction for Krishna. Therefore, we must understand by knowledge what is Krishna. That is Krishna Tattvavitta. So, why one should be attracted to Krishna? Unless Krishna has all the attractive features. The attraction, generally, in this material world, we are attracted to a rich man or to a powerful man, man or woman. Just like our Prime Minister, she is woman, but because she is powerful, we are attracted, we talk of her. So, the points of attraction are discussed by Parasar Muni as bhaga. Bhaga means opulence. So, these opulences, when one is very rich, he is opulent. One is very powerful, he is attractive. One is very influential, one is very beautiful, one is very highly learned. In this way, attraction. So, if we scrutinizingly study the life of Krishna, you will find in the history of the world there was no richer person than Krishna, no powerful person than Krishna, no beautiful person than Krishna, more learned and person of knowledge, philosophy than Krishna. if you study, you'll find everything. The six opulences are fully represented in Krishna. Therefore, he is Bhagavan. Bhava means opulences and Van means one who possesses. This is the meaning of Krishna, that he is all attractive because he possesses all the six opulences. This is the description of Krishna. So we should not accept anyone and everyone as Bhagavan. We must test whether he has got these six opulences.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.